welcome to my next video. Today we'll be solving fractions in 2 seconds. Our first example will be x plus 2 over 2 is equal to 0. Now, I know the answer is equal to x is equal to minus 2. See how fast I did it? I'll show you how now. X plus 2 over 2 is equal to 0. So, we can bring this down and we can say x plus 2 is equal to 0 and minus 2 from both sides, so x is equal to minus 2. Now I will show you the proof behind this for why this works. So x plus 2 over 2 is equal to 0. Now when we cross multiply, x plus 2 will be times by 1 and 2 will be times by 0. So you get 1 into x plus 2 is equal to 2 times 0. Once you expand, this will give you x plus 2 is equal to 0 times 2, which is 0, and therefore you have x is equal to minus 2. So what we can understand at the end is that we do not need to write this step. So now, let's try another question. 3x plus 1 divided by 3 will be equal to 0. Now simply, we can just say 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 from both sides, this will give you 3x is equal to minus 1. Divide both sides by 3. The 3 and 3 cancel out, leaving 1. So, x will be equal to minus 1 on 3. That will be our final answer. So our next question is 2x plus 4 divided by 6 will be equal to 0. So instantly we can bring down 2x plus 4 will be equal to 0. We can minus 4 from both sides. So this in the end will give us 2x is equal to minus 4. Divide both sides by 2. This will leave 1. Therefore, x will be equal to minus 4 on 2, which is minus 2. Our next example will be 4x plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Now we can bring this down. So 4x plus 2 will be equal to 0. However, this is wrong. We cannot do this in all cases. So 4x plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 2. I'll show you why this does not work. When you cross multiply this equation, you would get 4x plus 2, but you would times this equation by 1 because 2 over 1 is equal to 2. Thus, 1 times 4x plus 2 will be equal to 3 times 2. So now we can expand. 4x plus 2 will be equal to 3 times 2, which is 6. Minus 2 from both sides, this will give 4x is equal to 4. Divide both sides by 4, and this will give 1 on the left hand side. So your final answer will be x is equal to 1. So in the end, we can say that this hack does not work for all cases. It will only work when the whole equation is equal to 0.